Okay, I'm here doing my first just left joystick test. I have one joystick hooked up. I have a tethered cable, and after I get this working, I was going to get the other joystick. One joystick is for motion, left, cardinal motion, forward, backward, left, right, and diagonal. And the right joystick will be for rotation. And I don't have the rotation one hooked up yet. So here we go. I wish I had more than one hand. More than two hands, excuse me. Forward, backward, sideways to the left, sideways to the right, diagonal, and then that's my test. Everything seems to work fine. I have a real hard time handling a camera and my joystick, so that'll improve. I'll get another person to record, or I'll get something head mounted. Thank you.